So today's an exciting day. We're finally finished with the restoration of this car, and we're going to take it on its maiden voyage out and hopefully get some beautiful shots. Really excited about this one. Well, it has taken a lot of hard work, but we have a car that looks amazing from the outside and inside and is running great. The car at idle sounds amazing with the MagnaFlow exhaust. I'm really glad I got this car. It has reintroduced me to the Corvette line. My family had a 1973 454 C3 Corvette when I was really young, so I've always had a soft spot for Corvettes. Now today I'm going to make a pit stop at a local Cars and Coffee and then over to a cool restaurant which you will want to see. What is crazy is at this Cars and Coffee, you will see cars you would never expect in this small of a town. New NSX, vintage NSX, McLarens, Corvettes, hot rods, GTRs, even a Lamborghini Huracan 3000, which I didn't even know existed. Mira? Sure. Huracan? What is that? So, unfortunately, I only had a few minutes before I had to take off, so I did not take any footage of the cars. Check out the speed of the video. The wind totally took over the sound. So the next treat is a restaurant outside the city. Check out this car. It is just looking spectacular. Now what is cool about this restaurant is it is above a full custom hot rod shop. They do anything from cars to motorcycles, you name it. And they have a full paint booth, multiple stalls, and hold on. What is that I see? Oh, it's a Factory 533 Hot Rod version 1. Let's go check it out. This is the owner's, and he's been working on it in his spare time, which seems like it's not much because it's been there for a while. They also have a few items for sale. A motorcycle with a Corvette rear end, and a Factory 5 Cobra. Outside, they have 2 other major buildings for projects too. I love the concept of this place. The one thing that's great about Arizona is the view as you're driving and having fun in your car. Until next time, please hit the subscribe and notification buttons below, and have a great day.